Good morning, students. Today we'll revise a story written by William Douglas. William Douglas was Associate Justice of Supreme Court, and he wrote a story Deep Water by William Douglas. It is said that it is his personal experience, and he shared it with all of us how we can overcome any fear in our life. And our fears are always obstacles on the way, on the path of our progress. Actually, what happened when Williams was just 2-3 years old, his father took him to beach in California. They were both playing in the water. जैसे बच्चों के साथ वाटर गेम्स खेलते हैं, कभी उनको वाटर के अंदर करना, बाहर करना. And in this way, suddenly Williams lost his breath and got afraid. And since then, he developed a fear of water in his heart. But Williams was very fond of water games. Therefore, he wanted to overcome this fear of water. क्योंकि ये जो fear था ना, it spoiled his favorite water games like swimming, boating, canoeing. So he was determined that one day he would definitely overcome his fear of water. Then after a few years, when he was about 12-13 years old, he joined a YMCA pool that was near to his house. This was a shallow pool. It was 3 feet deep at one end and 9 feet deep at the other end. And William decided that he would go to this pool and do practice regularly. And he started with his practice. And after some months, he learned swimming. But there again happened a misadventure. Students, remember that there are two accidents. One, when William was 2-3 years old, that was with his father. And this time he is 12-13 years old and he is alone. One day he was sitting alone on the bank of the pool. Suddenly a big boy, 17-18 years big boy, came and tossed him, threw him into the pool. It was so unexpected for Williams that he lost his control. He could not control his senses and he drowned in the pool. When he drowned in the pool means when he was still on the process of drowning, he planned that as soon as he touched the bottom of the pool, he would jump to the surface of the water and swam to the bank of the pool. And he made 3 attempts. Every time he touched the bottom, he jumped, but he could not reach the surface of the water. His legs paralyzed. And at last, he resigned himself to his fate. Now, he thought that it is time that I cannot be saved now. And he experienced when he resigned himself to his fate that there was peace, complete peace in his mind. But the same big boy who threw him into the water rescued him also. The boy jumped and he took him out of the water. But this accident, this misadventure again had a great effect on Douglas. He could not eat properly and he could not even sleep for many days to come. And his fear of water doubled. Now he decided that he needed some help and he hired an instructor to learn to take a proper training of swimming. The instructor tied a belt around his waist. The belt was attached to a rope which was further tied to an overhead cable. मीन्स पहले बेल्ट के साथ रोप, और रोप किसके साथ अटैच्ड है? केबल, तार के साथ. In this way, William Douglas did practice for many months, for 2 hours per day and 6 days in a week. Ultimately, he overcame his fear of water. But when the instructor was finished, means instructor said, now it is okay, you are expert in swimming. But Douglas was not finished. He was not yet confident enough. He did practice alone in the pool. Every time he reached in the middle of the pool, his fear returned. But he gathered courage to fight his fear. He even went to another lake. This was a pool, a shallow pool. Lake is very deep. He went to Lake Wentworth to test himself, whether he has overcome his fear of water. There also his fear returned in the middle, but he overcame with strong determination. And he said, Mr. Terror, you cannot make me afraid anymore. And he swam across the lake, 2 miles long lake. He did practice over there, and ultimately he overcame his fear of water. And what does William Douglas want to teach us through this experience? That any fear in life should not be an obstacle in our path of success. What we all have to fear is fear itself. Even during this course, he experienced that there is only fear in the fear of death. When he resigned himself to his fate and accepted his death, even then he felt peace, no fear. So fear, all we have to fear is fear itself. So don't be afraid of any fear. Thank you, students.